coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I think you'll like that. Today we got one from Vietnam. This is Vifon with their Vietnamese style instant rice noodle with seafood and seafood pho. So there you go. How is your day going? I hope it is progressing along in its way as you see fit. I hope the cheese that you eat is free from maggots as well as the bread. You don't want to have any maggoty bread. So, yeah. If not, consult a physician. And that is not me. I'm not a physician. But it comes with this fancy plastic bowl. And you just dump all the noodle in. And we'll get that going, and then we will talk about pressing matters. Well, we can start with that right now, I guess. We had a guy who said something or posted something in the group, and one of the moderators didn't like it, and a guy had a hissy fit about it, and that's that. and now you know. That's really literally what happened. Proceeded to tell me how to run the Ramen Junkies group, and had a big fit, called me a communist, which I thought was a very odd comment. Don't we all know that communism only works with bees? They all have their jobs, they do what they do, and that's that. I think ants do it too. But I would never, there's a fork. I would never attribute communism to an insect class. The insectoids have their own kind of way of being and doing. There's the line, right? Oh, it's way down there? I see it, okay. Right there, okay. Now, the noodle is covered, but I want to make sure that it's covered and covered. There we go. All surfaces of said noodle are getting a good soak. We're going to put the lid on it, and we're going to put this. This is a sachet, a retort pouch rather, of seafood. I just got back from my morning walk. I thought I would see if I can get back in time to do this, what have you, and then make my wife her lunch. I think I'll be able to pull it off. I think so. And in the meantime, while we allow this to steep, I'm going to get the water ready for the next one. How much we need? 500 for I believe it's 5 minutes. Uh-oh. 500, 5 minutes. Okay. So let's get our water for the next one all ready to go. Yeah, I like to keep it rolling. Are you at 500? You're below. Can't have that. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff you don't see because you're in front of the scenes. Yeah, I have to measure water a lot. So that is on its way. Need this for the third one because that one gets drained. This should be about ready to go. Yeah. So yeah. Pretty excited. Might be going to my original home this weekend. Taking a little trip up north. That'll be cool. I haven't done that in a while. Go visit my sister. Did I get bowls? Oh, I didn't get frickin' bowls. Bowls. Yeah, I know. Okay, let me grab bowls real quick. This is a seafood, and I think this would be good for the seafood. And then we've got ramen. Only use the new one from my sister-in-law. And then we got a dry noodle, and I want to use this one really bad. There's this set of bowls that I have that one of them went missing, and now I found it, so I'm going to use that one for the end. All right, so yeah, I literally got home like 5 minutes or so before I started recording this, so I didn't have everything all prepared. So here's our bowl of stuff. I don't know, this isn't all that great. Come on. There we go. Ah, music for the end of humanity. So wistful. Here is our seafood stuffings. I didn't look to see what exactly this seafood is. But I guess we'll find out. I think it's probably... Yep. There's a shrimp in there. It smells pretty good. Very seafoody. Very warm. Floppy rice noodle. Getting a slight lemony element. There's some broth. Oh, I'm going to try a bit of that seafood element. Come on, don't hide from me. You can't hide from me. There is no escape. Well, maybe. It's got some kind of seafood element going on. Oh, interesting. Retort pouch seafood always is something I find fascinating. It's kind of... I don't know how you'd explain it. It's almost chalky. And I gotta fix this. This is driving me nuts. There, that's better. Is that better? Oh, I guess that is. So here's our... What? The device in there said Gesundheit, I think. What the hell? Yeah, the Alexa is talking. Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. What the hell? Hold on. Computer, stop. It was the wrong AI device. I have multiple. I know. Ooh, I should plug that into this mixture. So yeah, this one's not bad. It's interesting. I'm compelled by it. I do like the seafood flavor. It's a relaxing noodle. It doesn't cause too much anguish or disgust. That's gonna be my thing. Oh, I do like it. It's good. It's very far and few between that I find Vietnamese varieties that I really like. And lately, this stuff hasn't really been one to disappoint. So that's a plus. There's some scallion. Some... Oh yeah, I gotta hurry up. A touch of crushed red pepper. And then we're gonna add something new that I haven't tried yet and I've been really curious about. I know you know what sriracha is, but this is different. This is by a company called Roland. And thought this would be interesting to try. If I can figure out how to open this stuff. Wow. If I can open it, come on. I'm just kind of really interested in avoiding the whole goosh. The saucy goosh. That felt positive, but it didn't really do a whole hell of a lot as far as opening the container. Let's try that. Okay. We're making progress. I know this is not a Vietnamese product. I mean, nor is sriracha, for that matter. Sriracha is made in California by Vifon, who are Vietnamese. Sriracha is actually a place in Thailand. I've been there. It's a nifty place. All right, come on. I'm very curious about this stuff. All right, here we go. We're gonna throw some on top. I had a guy get really mad when I did that once. But there we are for now. We're gonna give this a try and see what happens. So here comes Rotato doing its groovy magic. So there you go. Yeah, I don't know what we're listening to, but the next one you're going to see is from Marushan of Japan. This is Zuban. and it's made by Marashan. Came out of a Meow Mall Nakama Noodles box. You can go to miauboxjapan.com. Check them out. Use the Ramen Raider as a discount code and do it to it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.